13 impressive reasons why you should eat mushrooms daily. Mushrooms, a culinary staple and medicinal marvel, are more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. They are packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds that offer a myriad of health benefits. In this video, we will dive deep into the benefits of mushrooms, explore recent studies, and look at real-life cases that highlight their profound impact on health. Let's discover why mushrooms deserve a place in your daily diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Stress and anxiety reduction. Adaptogenic mushrooms, such as reishi and cordyceps, are known for their ability to help the body adapt to stress. Reishi mushrooms contain triterpenes that may help reduce cortisol levels, leading to a reduction in anxiety and stress-related symptoms. Many users have shared their experiences with reishi mushrooms on Healthline, reporting decreased anxiety levels and improved sleep quality after regular use. This makes reishi a valuable natural remedy for those seeking relief from chronic stress and anxiety. Number 2. Skin health. Mushrooms are increasingly being used in skincare products due to their hydrating and anti-aging properties. Tremella mushrooms, also known as beauty mushrooms, are particularly effective at enhancing skin hydration and elasticity. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, 2023, found that tremella mushroom extract improved skin moisture retention and reduced the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after 8 weeks of use. This makes mushrooms a promising ingredient for promoting youthful and healthy skin. Number 3. Men's health. Mushrooms can offer specific benefits for men's health, particularly regarding testosterone levels and prostate health. Reishi and cordyceps mushrooms have been found to help support healthy testosterone production and improve energy levels, which is crucial for physical performance and libido. A study published in Andrologia showed that men who consumed cordyceps mushrooms experienced a notable improvement in testosterone levels and overall energy. Additionally, reishi mushrooms contain compounds that may help prevent the growth of prostate cancer cells, promoting better prostate health. Number 4. Benefits for women's health. Mushrooms also offer unique health benefits for women. Maitake mushrooms can help regulate hormone levels and alleviate symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome. The adaptogenic properties of reishi mushrooms are beneficial in balancing mood swings, particularly during menstruation and menopause. Many women have reported on Healthline that consuming reishi and maitake mushrooms help them experience fewer symptoms related to hormonal imbalances, such as hot flashes, mood swings, and irregular periods. Lion's mane mushrooms may also help improve mental clarity and reduce anxiety, which can be particularly beneficial for women dealing with hormonal changes. Number 5. Nutrient powerhouse. Mushrooms are low in calories but high in essential nutrients. A single cup of raw white mushrooms contains about 15 calories, 2 grams of protein, and provides an excellent source of B vitamins, selenium, copper, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients are crucial for brain function, metabolism, and cardiovascular health. Mushrooms are also one of the few natural plant-based sources of vitamin D, especially when exposed to sunlight or UV light. A study published in Nutrients, 2022, showed that individuals who included mushrooms regularly in their diet had significantly better vitamin D levels compared to those who didn't. This makes mushrooms an excellent choice for those who need to boost their vitamin D intake, particularly in winter months. Number 6. Immune system boost. Mushrooms are known for their immune-boosting properties, largely thanks to compounds called beta-glucans. These polysaccharides help enhance the activity of natural killer cells, which play a critical role in defending the body against infections. A real-life case reported by a user on Cleveland Clinic's Health Essentials stated that they felt a significant improvement in their immune resilience after consuming shiitake mushrooms regularly for 6 months. They experienced fewer colds during the winter and faster recovery times, which suggests that mushrooms can play a role in bolstering immune health. Number 7. Anti-cancer properties. Certain varieties of mushrooms like reishi, turkey tail, and maitake are renowned for their anti-cancer properties. Reishi mushrooms in particular have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to support cancer treatment. Recent studies have shown that these mushrooms contain triterpenes, compounds that may help inhibit tumor growth. According to a study from Medical News Today 2023, cancer patients who were supplemented with medicinal mushrooms experienced a 30% improvement in treatment outcomes compared to those who did not. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in mushrooms are believed to contribute to these promising results. Number 8. Brain health and cognitive function. Mushrooms, especially lion's mane, are known to benefit cognitive function. Lion's mane mushrooms contain hericenones and erinacines, compounds that may help stimulate the production of nerve growth factor. NGF is essential for the growth and maintenance of neurons, which can support memory and cognitive function. A 2022 study by UCLA Health found that individuals who took lion's mane mushroom supplements for 16 weeks demonstrated significant improvements in memory and overall cognitive performance compared to a placebo group. This makes lion's mane a promising natural supplement for aging populations or those experiencing early symptoms of cognitive decline. Number 9. Cholesterol management and heart health. Mushrooms, particularly oyster mushrooms, are beneficial for heart health. They contain compounds that help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, while promoting HDL, good cholesterol levels. This helps improve overall cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart disease. Many users have shared testimonials on platforms like Healthline about significant improvements in cholesterol levels after incorporating mushrooms into their diets. One user reported a 20-point reduction in LDL cholesterol after consuming oyster mushrooms regularly for 4 months. Number 10. Gut health. The fiber in mushrooms acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This can lead to a healthier microbiome, which is linked to improved digestion, enhanced immunity, and even better mood regulation. A 2023 meta-analysis in Frontiers in Nutrition concluded that individuals who consume mushrooms at least 3 times a week are 25% less likely to suffer from gut-related issues compared to those who don't consume them. The prebiotic fibers in mushrooms, including chitin and beta-glucans, have been shown to support beneficial gut bacteria growth. Number 11. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Mushrooms, particularly reishi and chaga, are known for their potent anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. The triterpenes and polysaccharides found in mushrooms help reduce inflammation, which can help mitigate these health risks. A study published in the Journal of Inflammation Research, 2023, found that individuals who consumed reishi mushroom extract experienced a significant reduction in markers of inflammation, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, compared to a control group. This highlights mushrooms as a natural way to combat chronic inflammation. Number 12. Antioxidant properties. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants like ergothioneine and glutathione, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants play a vital role in preventing oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases. A 2022 study from Antioxidants and Redox Signaling revealed that regular consumption of mushrooms increased the body's levels of ergothioneine, offering protection against cellular damage and reducing the risk of conditions such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Number 13. Blood sugar regulation. Mushrooms can help regulate blood sugar levels due to their low glycemic index and the presence of bioactive compounds that improve insulin sensitivity. Maitake mushrooms, in particular, have been found to have anti-diabetic properties that help stabilize blood glucose levels. A 2023 study from Diabetes Research and Clinical Practice demonstrated that individuals with type 2 diabetes who consumed maitake mushroom extract experienced improved insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood glucose levels compared to those who did not consume the extract. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of mushrooms. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions and uses of these special herbs. Question 1. What is the uses of mushrooms? Mushrooms can be used in various forms beyond just culinary applications. Medicinal supplements. Many types, like reishi and lion's mane, are available as capsules, tinctures, or powders to boost immunity, reduce anxiety, and improve mental clarity. Culinary uses. Mushrooms are incredibly versatile in cooking. They can be grilled, sautéed, or even used as a meat substitute in vegetarian dishes due to their umami flavor. Tea. Chaga mushroom tea is popular for its antioxidant properties, which can help reduce inflammation and promote general wellness. Skincare. Mushroom extracts, particularly from tremella and reishi, are used in skincare products for their hydrating and anti-aging effects. Question 2. How many types of mushrooms are available? Mushrooms come in a wide variety, each offering unique health benefits and culinary uses. Here are some of the most popular types of mushrooms. White button mushrooms. The most common type, found in grocery stores and often used in everyday cooking. Cremini mushrooms, similar to white button mushrooms but with a deeper flavor, often used in soups and stews. Portobello mushrooms, a mature version of cremini mushrooms known for their meaty texture and often used as a meat substitute. Shiitake mushrooms, known for their rich, smoky flavor and used in many Asian cuisines. Oyster mushrooms, mild flavor with a delicate texture, often used in stir-fries and soups. Enoki mushrooms, long and thin, commonly used in Asian dishes, especially soups and salads. Lion's mane mushrooms, renowned for their potential brain-boosting properties and unique, fluffy appearance. Maitake mushrooms, also known as hen of the woods, used for their immune-boosting properties. Chanterelle mushrooms, golden-colored, aromatic, and popular in gourmet dishes. Reishi mushrooms, often used in traditional medicine for immune support and stress reduction. Turkey tail mushrooms, known for their potential anti-cancer benefits and immune support. Chaga mushrooms, typically consumed as tea for their antioxidant properties. Morel mushrooms, highly prized by chefs for their unique flavor and texture. Tremella mushrooms, also called beauty mushrooms, often used in skincare products for their hydrating properties. Question 3. Are all mushrooms safe to eat? No, not all mushrooms are safe to eat. Some wild mushrooms are toxic and can cause serious health issues if consumed. It is important to only consume mushrooms that are known to be safe and sourced from reliable suppliers. Question 4. What are the best mushrooms for boosting immunity? Shiitake, reishi, and turkey tail mushrooms are some of the best varieties for boosting immunity. They contain beta-glucans and other bioactive compounds that enhance immune function. Question 5. Which mushrooms are best for brain health? Lion's mane mushrooms are particularly beneficial for brain health. They contain compounds that may stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, which supports memory and cognitive function. Question 6. Are there any side effects of consuming mushrooms? For most people, mushrooms are safe to eat. However, some individuals may experience digestive discomfort or allergic reactions. It's important to start with small amounts if you are trying a new type of mushroom. Question 7. What organ is mushroom good for? Mushrooms are particularly beneficial for the immune system, liver, and brain. They contain compounds that enhance immune function, support liver detoxification, and boost cognitive function. Question 8. Is mushroom a protein or vitamin? Mushrooms contain both protein and vitamins. They are a good source of B vitamins, such as riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, and also contain moderate amounts of protein, making them a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Question 9. Are mushrooms good for sperm? Certain mushrooms, like cordyceps, have been shown to improve sperm quality and motility. They may also help boost testosterone levels, which can support overall reproductive health in men. Question 10. What are the best mushroom supplements to buy? Some of the best mushroom supplements available include those made from lion's mane for cognitive health, reishi for stress reduction, cordyceps for energy and stamina, and turkey tail for immune support. Look for high-quality brands that use organic mushrooms and ensure their products are third-party tested for quality and potency, such as Host Defense, Four Sigmatic, and Real Mushrooms. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, Stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.